Alright, some charts of interest for tomorrow's trading in the GreatStockPicks.com live trading chat room. ARMH, I've posted this one a few days. I like it more now than I have any of the other days I posted it. You can see this nice green candle, again, held 25 support. Really didn't keep an eye on it today for an entry, but may have even been a good swing entry. I'm not that brave, but for an intraday trade tomorrow, this thing may have bottomed today. Really likes to bounce off this 25 area, so there's one we're going to watch, ARMH. Barnes & Noble. Now, you can read my notes there. I never thought this huge gap up made sense. I think probably a lot of people agreed some smart shorts jumped in there. The days are getting more and more narrow, though, and one of these days, maybe tomorrow, if it can trade in a narrow range for a while and then break that early high, it might get a nice pop. Okay, so that's a kind of a specific scenario I'm looking for. But or even also an early sell-off. If it were to open around 1850 and sell off real quick after this kind of 3-day sell-off, you might get a nice rebound. So there's a couple scenarios that we'll be looking for tomorrow in BKS. Green Mountain Coffee, GMCR, nice volume today. Looks like it's ready to break out. So I'll be watching. No, I'm just kidding. I just had to throw that in there because after hours, look what it did. Down to 29.40, almost went to 28. Go back to the daily again. I do have this on watch, but not because I'm looking for a long. Almost $50, right before the close. $29 now, so that deserves to be on watch tomorrow. But who knows if it'll get a setup or not. This one's a little crazy for me. This Herbalife, but from 70 down to 52 in a couple days. Just another big red day today. Is holding 52 so far. So this one is another scenario where if it can trade in a narrow range for a while tomorrow and then break its early high, if you have that on a chart and you're ready, could give a little bit of a squeeze pop, from shorts that have just done really well here, and a combination of longs jumping in when they see, if and when they see Herbalife, HLF, lighting up the new highs ticker. That can be kind of a self-perpetuating rally because a lot of people jump in and say, I knew that thing was overdone, and so you get kind of a rally. So whenever something gets killed, I try to keep it on a chart and keep an eye on it with that kind of thought in mind. And then Iron Mountain here, IRM, you can see the long downtrend line. Broke it today to the upside on nice volume. Now, keep your eyes on this one, like I say. Typically, we're going to endure a pullback first, so I'm not saying I'm jumping in right away long tomorrow, but over the coming weeks, this one looks good and may give a long setup tomorrow or anytime later this week or in the coming future. So that's my short list for tomorrow. I'll stop babbling. We'll talk to you guys later.